So we'll always miss her leadership and her ability to influence generations after generations. So there was a huge gap between her and the age gap I'm saying about with us. So we worked very closely. But when we joined FWWB, so we were very young, and she was she has achieved so much by that time. But what we call the barefoot CEO means she never made us feel that she is the CEO. And the thing is that she always had an open door policy for everyone. So that's how the organization continued. And a few days back we went to IIM Ahmedabad for recruiting people. So for 5-10 minutes he presented about FWWB. And suddenly one of the placement coordinator rose and said, "Madam, why shouldn't we why shouldn't you be given a Nobel Prize? You are doing the same thing what Muhammad Yunus has done for microfinance sector." So that was her influencing power on the people. So that means a person when he is with us, when she is not with us, her gap will be more felt. So I'll just end with what our founder Mrs. Ilaben Bhatt had to say for us. She gave a beautiful tribute to Madam. She wrote, "Where is my second arm?" Tribute. "I wish I could say welcome to you. I wish Vijayalakshmi was here to welcome you all. Still can't believe. Pray may her soul rest in peace. I am torn by one of my two arms. Jayashri and Vijay are my two arms. Without them, I am zero in the world of finance. They have made me proud of both our institutions, Seva Bank, FWWB. Staff of both Ananya and FWWB, you have been very devoted. I don't know how to solace you. I am concerned about you," she said to her husband, Bhai Das, "I am concerned about you. Your two loving daughters, and God will always be with you to strengthen you. All back memories are rushing in my mind. Funny stories, fighting stories, travels, meetings, all three of us together." And Josnaben was another colleague whom she referred. "And I pay sincere deep tribute to Vijayalakshmi." And she ended with one Rigveda comment. Maybe you can read it out. You can read this Hindi. It's
Sam gacchadvam, sam vadhatvam, sam vau manasi janatam. Deva bhagam yatha kurve, sanjanana upasate. Samano manah samiti samani, samano chitam sahachatam esham. Samano mantra abhimantraya mana, samani va akuti. Samani hadayani va samanenu astu, vo mano yatha va suhasati.
So what we will miss is that what she has achieved in the past is what she has achieved, but the plans, the dreams which she had about this country, especially related to farmer producer organizations, then regarding low housing income segment groups, housing finance. So we'll miss all these things. But again, as Mr. C.S. Reddy told, that she will be living through our works, and we will continue to do the good works which she carried on in FWWB. And I firmly believe that the trust which she carried on people, which she entrusted on people and to organizations, will help us in serving more than organizations. We firmly believed that many of the organizations wouldn't be here today if Madam wouldn't have trusted them with small amount of funds in the initial years. So we'll go now. We have got our new CEO, Mr. S.S. Bhatt, who has taken over as CEO of FWWB. He was supposed to be here today, but because of some work, he's in Bangalore today, so he couldn't be present here. So that's all. We thank Irma for remembering Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Das.
So my association with Vijay ma'am is from last 10 years. She shaped my career throughout the. Earlier I was so scared of her because she was a eminent personality in colleges. We know about her, but during the course of time, she was very supportive. You can go in her room anytime and you can discuss with her. So like she was believed, credit and capacity building will make FPO sustainable. So we are strongly believing that we will work in that domain for a very long time.